Good morning, guys! Good morning! Makeup lang ako saglit, guys. Hindi ako magpa-foundation kasi sobrang humid. Baka ano pa mangyari sa mukha natin. And I got this from Caris. Meron akong shop. Ililive ko yung link below if you guys are interested. Pero perfect siya pang travel comb. See? Tapos meron na siyang mirror, guys. Ibibigay ko actually to sa kapatid ko. Meron akong ganito din na suklay. Pero meron siyang handle. Tapos meron siyang mirror dito sa likod. But this one, pinakita ko to kay Miss. And sabi niya, mas gusto niya to. So, ibibigay natin to sa kanya. But, ito yung dinala ko. And hindi ko nadala yung isa. So, gamitin natin. Okay lang yan. Darating siya. Mamaya na, guys. Meron pa talaga akong deodorant dyan, no? Maya-maya, maano na yan. Ma-absorb niya ng ating kilikili. Yung suot ko is galing kay TK Maxx. It's a maxi dress. Basta it's a maxi dress. And I am wearing my sandals from Kmart. Kahit na pumatong ako, hindi niyo naman nakita yung sandals. Pero yeah, Kmart. And then ganito yung itsura ng dress. Meron sana siyang tie dito. Tapos patay-tie. Tinanggal ko kasi elastic naman yung dito. Hindi na kailangan i-tie. And mag-makeup tayo saglit. Kasi si Dan kanina pa yan ready. Yung focus talaga ng camera ko. Uy, ewan ko na lang sa kanya. And magsa-sunscreen tayo, guys. Kahit wala naman si Mr. Sun, which is good. I'm not complaining. Gusto ko na wala si Mr. Sun. It looks a bit gloomy outside. Pero hindi naman umuulan. So, it's alright. I will be using the Oh My Sun Slush. This is from Yada Cosmetics, guys. Ayan yung itsura niya. Grabe yung focus ng G7X. Hindi na talaga siya ganun ka-ano. See, hindi na siya nagpo-focus ng maayos. Ano ba yan? This has SPF 50+, PA triple+. Ganito yung itsura niya. Sana pala ito na lang yung cream na ginamit ko. Kasi nag-cream na ako eh. Do you want SPF cream, babe? For your face?
I'll put a little bit on. Not yet though.
Okay. Kapag international na mga trip, ito yung dadalhin ko. Kapag maikli lang, like over the weekend, like kung weekend trip lang, yung dinadala ko is yung mga pouch. Pero kapag international ganito, kahit na hindi naman ganun kadami yung dala kong makeup. So, meron siyang lalagyan ng brush dyan. May flap siya. And then, ganyan yung dyan na lahat ng makeup ko. Tapos dito, meron siyang pa-mesh dyan. Nilalagyan ko ng mga skincare. Okay. Yung dala ko na concealer is yung ano lang talaga, guys. Yung Radiant Creamy Concealer ng NARS. Ito lang. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko to. I have been using this non-stop for a while now. Kasi gustong-gusto ko siya. In fairness, mas gusto ko siya kaysa kay Tarte Shape Tape. Ito yung outfit ko, guys. So, I'm wearing this dress from SAS, S-A-S-S, ano ito yung tag dun. This is from TK Maxx sa Melbourne. And then I'm wearing my crossbody from Zaful. Shoes is from Kmart, from the kids section. $6 lang yan, guys. I am wearing my watch, which is the Daniel Wellington watch. And then, ano pa ba? Necklace from Kim's Collections, guys. Yung my R. And ring from my mom. And yun lang.
Turn around, babe, so you can see the back of the dress.
There we go. And tinry ko yung drunk blush, guys. Ngayon ko lang, first time ko tinry yung drunk blush. Meron akong blush dito. Hindi ko alam kung tama. Let's go!
Yeah.
35th floor, guys. So, kailangan mo ilagay yung card. 35th floor yung Medini Oh, it's an Italian restaurant. Tapos 33, meeting room. 36, OZ Fitness. H2O pool bar. 37, the pool, babe. That's where the pool is at. 37. And 38 is, ano yun? Sky Lounge and Bar. Okay, let's go. Yan, Medini. The food looks good, guys. Ito, I can't open it kasi meron akong dalang plato. Can you open this one? Yes. We'll check it out. Potatoes? Can I have some, babe? Thank you. Not much. Okay, that's enough. Thank you. How about this one? Open natin lahat. What's that? Vegetables? Do you want that?
Yep.
Yep, okay. Wait, lagay ko lang yung ano ko, guys. Maya na kayo, guys.
Yes, on it.
Ito na muna yung kinuha ko, guys. Gusto ko pa sana, dagdagan, kaya lang ayokong maano sa sauce. And yung view namin, ang ganda. Dito kami sa, anong tawag dito, sa gilid. Kasi dalawa lang kami ni Dan. Yung plate ni Dan, guys, meron siyang bread, rice, yung vegetable na nakita natin kanina, sausage, at saka nagpagawa siya ng egg. Yung akin pala is yung pork in ginger sauce. This is actually really good. And the sauce is really good. It's a bit spicy. Do you like it? Yeah. And I have my latte and then sedan cappuccino. Ganda ng view, guys, oh. So, andito kami sa isa sa mga table na ganito. Sa gilid. Nice. Good morning, guys. Hindi masyadong gusto ni Dan yung cappuccino niya. Pero yung latte ko, masarap. Did you like my latte? Yeah? Kagagaling lang namin sa Citibank, guys. Nag-withdraw lang kami ng pera. So, kapag nagbabakasyon kami, yung card na ginagamit namin is Citibank. Kasi yan yung pinakamaliit na interest. So, credit card siya. So, nilalagyan lang namin siya ng pera doon. Tapos, yun na yung ginagamit namin overseas. Hindi namin ginagamit yung like regular card namin. And nakakatuwa yung mga tao dito kasi kahit na nahihirapan sila, guys, magsalita, tumutulong talaga sila. Like, they do their best na mag-sign language na dito, ganyan-ganyan. Nakakatuwa lang. Babe, where are we going again?
The market.
Which market? Pratunam?
Yeah. Chat something.
Chatuchak!
I'm not sure.
Chatuchak Market, guys. We will catch a train. So, nakaline lang si Dan dito para kumuha ng ticket. Malapit lang tong train station na to sa ano namin, sa hotel namin. So, nilakad lang namin siya. Silang tinitingnan niya kung meron dun. I think here. How did he do it? A hole? There's no hole. Thank you. Nandito kami, guys, sa BTS na station and punta kami to Mochit kasi ito yung papunta daw sa Chatuchak Market.
Sephora.
Kumusta na yung drunk blush natin, guys? And nag-spray ako ng Fixen. Si Dan din nag-spray din siya. How's your face going?
Good. It's coming.
What? The train? Nakababa na kami sa train, guys. Punta kami Chatuchak Market. So, lakad-lakad. Merong mga ganito, oh. Ganyan. Yung suot ni Kuya, guys. Yung sa likod. Yung suot niya yung red. Gusto ko ng ganyan. Yung button up na tropical na print. Gusto ko yung ganyan. May nakita ako kahapon sa isang shop. Pero pang bata siya. Ganyan. At saka may shorts. Kaya lang feeling ko sobrang magiging fit siya sa akin. Hindi siya loose fit. Ang camera ko, ang tsaka ng focus. Dito na tayo, guys. Ito yung parang entrance. So, merong mga ganyan. Mga socks. 20 baht. Isa 6 for 100 baht, babe. Socks. I wanna buy. And then dito sa kabila. So, ano siya, guys? Magkabilaan. Ito yung entrance. Babe, let's go that way. Or, wait. Oh my gosh. Nakaka-overwhelm. See? 4 for 100 baht. 12 for 100 baht. Yung mga ganito, guys. Pangpasalubong. Ang iikli, besh. No, that's too big. That's 34.
Too big.
Too big. Too big. You have small ones?
Maybe it wasn't in focus because this was played with. This wasn't sitting right.
Was it not? Where was it? Guys, lakad-lakad kami. Nakabili ako ng isa. And lakad-lakad kami, diba? May nakita kami. Mga shorts din, guys. 69 baht. So, sabi ni Dan, ano ka makipagtawad? Hindi ako marunong tumawad eh. Okay lang naman, 100 baht. So, $4 lang. Eh, ang hirap ko kaya hanapan ng shorts. So, ang dami dito, guys. Grabe. Lakad ako ng lakad. Si Dan, andun pala. Anong tinitingnan niya? Ay, mga relo, guys. Ano, wallet? Do you want a wallet? 100 baht? Do you need something like this?
I like that sort of stuff. It's a bit thick though.
Chatuchak. So, weekend lang to, guys, ha? Weekend market. Wala to weekdays. Ito yung mga bag na gusto kong bilhin, guys. Gusto ko yung crossbody. Tingnan natin kung magkano. Hello! Parang kasya din siya sa akin. Hindi siya ganun kahaba. How much is this? 280? Gumagawa siya. Oh. Wait.
If you like it, get it.
Don't you think it's too short? Well, I'm short.
I like it, but I don't know if it's your style.
Yeah, no, I like this. Hindi ako marunong tumawag. Gusto kong tawaran kasi 120. Guys, so, 4 for 100 baht. 4 for 100 baht. See? Mango. It smells like mango and mango steam. This one. Smell the coconut.
Mm.
You like it?
Yeah, it's good.
What's this?
What's that?
Star fruit. Garnate sa Bisaya. Do you want this? How many do you want?
Well, I'll just get 4 for 100.
What do you want?
Here, no, that's alright.
Pineapple. Banana. Yeah, nice.
Get the ones with the covers on it as well, babe. So, because
So what do you want?
I'm not fast.
It's very nice.
I like that.
You like this? Okay, let's get this for you. What with the cover? This? Yeah. Are you a clear pink? Or black, blue, red? Or rated PG?
How much are they?
I don't know. Let's ask how much your penis is. How much is your penis? Movie whoopsie. Meron ganito, guys. For you. For you? Okay. Thank you. Do you like it?
The salted body.
Oh, no.
Salted?
Yeah, okay. With coconut sugar and
Coconut.
rice.
Okay.
Yes, very nice.
I don't want that.
Oh, yes.
Nah, oh, I'm good. Okay. Thank you. Kaya naman si ate.
This mango sticky rice.
Mango sticky rice? Okay.
Mango sticky rice.
I'll try that.
For you? No. Okay.
Thank you.
Very nice. Lily from factory.
Yeah. Which one do you like better?
I'll get those two.
Okay. The sweet ones, yep.
This, no?
Nah, just that one.
20 baht.
20 baht, yes.
Yeah, okay.
This shop is very
I
cheap.
do. It is, yeah, thank you. Do you want that, babe? Japanese crepe.
Not yet.
Let's get a drink. I want a drink.
Mango juice?
Yeah. 30 baht. Do you want some?
We'll share one.
Okay. Just one. Thank you. You good? 30 baht, guys. Pinatry kami ni ate ng maraming nuts. Nabusog tuloy ako. Let's cross, babe. Ang sarap. 30 baht. So, lang siya? $1 something. $1 lang. Ay, babe, I like this shop.
Awesome. Cheers, man. Thank
Dito pa din kami sa Chatuchak, guys. Hinihintay namin si Kuya yung nagbenta nitong mga shorts. Kasi, kakalagay lang niya kanina. Parang kaka-display lang niya, guys. Hindi pa nga siya tapos eh. Tapos sabi namin kung mayroon siyang, size ni Dan. Tapos, paalis na sana kami kasi sabi niya wala. Tapos sabi niya, XL. Kukunin ko lang. Tapos, balik ako. So, hintayin namin si Kuya. Mabait nila dito kasi kahit na nagsa-struggle sila, tinutulungan ka pa rin nila. Like, tinatry pa rin talaga nila makipag-usap. So, that's good. And, shopping. Nakapag-shopping na ako, guys. And then, we have those as well. Mark, kamukha mo, Mark. Si Kuya. Kamukha ni Mark. Dami dito, guys. Guys, pauwi na kami. Balik kami sa hotel. Kasi si Miss darating na in, I think, 2 hours. Siguro nakaland na siya ngayon. So, hanap lang siguro kami ng drinks at saka makakain dito. Tapos alis na kami. But yeah. Kain muna tayo, guys. Ito yung street food nila. Yan. Maybe I'll grab this. Tsaka yung drinks nandun. You don't want it, babe? I just want it.
Yeah, she's like, does she understand?
This one. 20?
Don't use my thing because you're gonna big.
Yeah. Where's your money? Ito yung flower tea nila, guys. Sarap. Tapos si Dan, you will get orange juice? And then 1 orange juice, please. Oh, cool. Ang cute naman ng plastic. Thank you! Ignorante talaga ako eh. Nakabalik na kami sa hotel, guys. Punta lang kami ng pool. While hinihintay namin si Miss. Tapos pagdating ni Miss, saka kami kakain. Punta kami Terminal 21. Ito yung mga napamili namin, guys. Nilagay namin sa isang plastic bag. Sana nagdala tayo ng eco bag, babe. Gagawa ako ng haul, pero ito gagamitin ko na siya. Bumili ako ng dalawa para sa akin at para kay Miss. So pagdating ni Miss, bibigay ko sa kanya. Merong dalawang kulay nito. Yung isa white, tapos ito brown. We got the brown. And ganito siya, guys. I've been looking for a bag na ganito. And gusto ko sana yung round. Kaya lang yung mga round na nakita ko, hindi na-adjust. So, ito guys, na-adjust yung strap niya. Yan. So, crossbody bag siya, guys. I like it. I will start wearing this kasi very summer siya. Very tropical, you know. Hindi nga lang ganun kaganda yung quality ng yung strap niya kasi hindi naman siya totoong leather. But yung mga totoong leather kasi hindi na-adjust eh. Tapos, sobrang mamahal din na nila. Yes. Yan. Hahabaan ko pa to. So, same lang kulay lang yung binili ko para kay Miss at saka para sa akin. Ganyan. Tapos, ma-open mo siyang ganyan. Yan. It's nice. Yan. Hahabaan ko pa to, guys. Nice. Gagamitin ko na to, babe. I like it. Bigyan natin yan kay Miss. So, we will just change and then go to the pool.
Let's go pool for an hour.
For an hour? Okay. Oh, we have $300 voucher pala, guys. No, 300 baht voucher. Nung pag-check-in namin kagabi, binigyan kami nila ng voucher. Sabi nila, usually $200 lang daw, pero sa amin ginawa nila 300. Siguro dahil may extra kaming binayaran. So, tatlong tao yung binayaran namin. So, maybe that's why. Where's the voucher, babe? we can spend it to
Drinks.
yeah, so pwede mo siya i-spend sa restaurant, dun sa Medini, yung nag-breakfast kami kanina, sa ano, H2O, siguro bar to, Access and Spin, and then Bangkok Heights. So ganito guys, tatlong, tigwa 100 baht. You can see your reflection.
Can they?
Yeah,
Alright.
that's alright.
Oh, yeah,
That's alright, it's just a small thing. It's right there. I can just put a monkey on it.
A 2-second shower, then
We will go to the pool. You don't have to take a shower.
a 2-second shower.
Oh gosh. Hindi na ako magsha-shower. Tapos pagdating mamayang gabi, shower na naman. Nag-shower na tayo kanina. Papalit lang ako ng swimsuit. Ito yung pool area nila guys. Hindi naman siya ganun kalaki, pero okay lang. See? Ganyan. Overlooking siya. And then ito. Buti na lang hindi ganun kasani. Is it cold? Dito sa baba. Meron ganyan. Yan. So, pwede ka dito magstay. Tapos meron ding mga fan. Tapos meron silang bar dyan. Pwede natin dyan i-spend yung ano, voucher. Si Dan. Malamig, besh. Cold, babe? I'll stay here.